So apparently I'm that fucking idiot that forgets to press record when I try to do stuff. So we're gonna rewind real quick. Just jumped in the car because I'm running out of oxygen. I need to go to the welding shop to get oxygen. Then I have to go out to American Glass Roots to go get some supplies. I have a custom order that I don't have the color for that I need to go get, and stuff like that. So come along with me, we're gonna go shopping. Alright, here we are out at Metroplex Welding, swapping out these tanks because I need more oxygen. I don't know if I'm allowed to film in here, so I suppose we'll find out, won't we? Alright, well, can't really film inside, but that's okay. I got my new oxygen, and now it's off to go to AGR. Yay! So I'm like halfway to AGR. Sorry I can't look at the camera because I'm fucking driving. One of the problems that to going out to AGR is how fucking far away it is from my house. Like, and it's only in Arlington, which is a suburb of Fort Worth. People think of Dallas and Fort Worth as basically being right on top of each other, which I guess for Texas they really are. But a lot of people don't appreciate the fact that the greater Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex is roughly the same size as the state of Connecticut. So it's still a damn long drive to get out to AGR. But it's worth it. Alright, so here we are out at American Glass Roots. I know it doesn't look like much, but these guys are great. They have everything I need. Almost everything I need. Definitely all the raw materials and shit. We'll see if Don will let me film inside. For the moment, it looks like Don is teaching a class, and since he appears to be the only one here who can sell me shit, I think I'm gonna have to wait patiently for a few minutes. Well, Don is busy, but you know, I'm gonna come in the store and do my shopping as it is, and hopefully I'll get to introduce you to Don. Maybe not, but yeah. Okay, so really I came to get some pink Cadillac and a tube, but I think I'm gonna get a few other things. This pink slime looks pretty good. There you go. Yeah, that stuff looks pretty good. Have to get a couple of those. Alright guys, so this is Don. He runs the place, he owns the place, and he's created this awesome store and this awesome shop with all these fun toys you can come rent, all this glass and materials you can actually just come shop for.
Nice stuff.
And say hi, Don.
Hey, how's everybody doing this morning? Well, if you need something, you want to learn about glass, you need a torch, you need some glass, give me a shout. I'd love to help you out. This is what I do.
Yeah, and if you're not a DFW local, you can find them at
AmericanGlassRoots.com.
Yes, sir, and they're price competitive, and they have basically everything you need. So definitely check them out, and I'll be back.
Have a good day, Melton.
Alright, so I'm back. Do this again. Alright, so I'm back. Normally I like to spend more time out at AGR, hanging out and bullshitting. Sadly that wasn't in the cards because Don's teaching a class. But I'm glad you got to meet Don. Don's fucking awesome. AGR is fucking awesome. Those guys have been insanely helpful. Don and Randall in particular. And go check out their website if you're not Dallas local. If you are Dallas local and you're at all into glass, you are doing yourself a huge disservice by not going out there and checking out what they've got. Their facilities are pretty awesome for looking like an industrial garage, but I guess all shops really kind of do these days, don't they? Anyway, you know, managed to get my oxygen, managed to get some glass. Sadly, I can only really get a couple colors. I got what do we get? Pink Cadillac, pink slime, and Rose from Paramore. So I got a pink piece that somebody wants me to do, and I didn't have any color, so I had to roll out to AGR, and I needed another 60 by 5 tube. Man, those things are fucking expensive. That's a goddamn $50 tube right there. But I'm gonna wrap it up. Oh, and I even got to put some Taco Bueno in my life. Anyway, later y'all.